Hi everyone and welcome back to Heartful Cooking. Today I will be preparing for you a simple fish recipe which consists of ingredients commonly found in your pantry accompanied with a simple mango salsa style salad. This recipe is very simple, and with fish you really don't need too many ingredients to have a flavorful experience. The star of this recipe are the plum tomatoes, which we will be using in the marinade. Plum tomatoes, such as San Marzano, are great for sauces since they have less seeds, have a thinner skin, and a lot more pulp compared to other tomato varieties. They are also a lot more sweeter than sour, which is what tomatoes usually bring to a recipe. So let's get started. In a food processor, put in 2 cloves of garlic, 4 roughly cut plum tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, salt to taste. I use rock or sea salt, which are a milder salt variety, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, and then puree all these ingredients. Then add fresh dill, which is a herb commonly used with fish. I added this later because I don't want to over chop the herb. I want it to stand out by roughly chopping it. Add the juice of 1 lime, and if you would like a little more heat, you can add 1 to 2 green chilies. This of course is optional. Coat and marinate a fish variety of your choice. Here I'm using wolf fish, which is similar to cod. We always buy wild caught as opposed to farmed fish. Farmed fish is not very healthy to consume, nor is it friendly to the environment. So marinate and set aside for about 20 minutes before baking. In the meantime, let's prepare the mango salsa salad. In a medium to large size bowl, cut 2 avocados, add the juice of 1 lime. Mix and coat the avocado with the lime juice so it doesn't discolor and turn brown. Now add 1 large mango, half cup of green olives, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Here I'm using cherry tomatoes, 1 to 2 stalks of green onion or spring onion, mix to combine. Now add a handful of chopped coriander, salt and pepper to taste, and finally drizzle some olive oil to bring all the flavors together. You want the salsa salad to sit for about 20 minutes to allow all the juices to be released and flavors to combine. Place your fish into a 350 degree Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And here you have it, a delicious yet simple fish recipe served with a mango salsa salad and bulgur and vermicelli Turkish pilau. You can serve it with couscous or any rice variety of your choice. Do consider subscribing to my channel, like and share, and until next time, happy cooking!